Welcome to the after-dinner cordial, after our feast, of a rear hub. So last time we were all together, we overhauled a hub that had a broken axle. It had some trashed and chewed up cones, some worn bearings. The cups, they weren't the greatest, but they were okay. So now we've got to adjust this. We're going to go backwards a little bit here. Show you a little phenomenon that goes on with the standard axle. Not all bikes do this. Through axles tend not to do this as much. Certain really heavy duty axles don't do this, but there's flex. Steel flexes, it gives, and that's a good thing. So there's actually flex in the threads, in the cone, on the axle, and it shows up like this. This is my make-believe bike. It's clamped. We're actually clamped on a wrench. Okay, you caught me. It's actually a wrench, it's not a bike. But when that skewer is down tight, it's pulling on the skewer tight, squeezing, smushing the outside of our lock nuts to hold the wheel in the bike. But here you can see a little bit sticky, okay? But regard, when we back the cam off, it's released the pull. Oh, that is smoother. Yes. Does this mean we ride with the skewers open? No. It means you have to account for that on this type of axle. On an M10 threaded, M9, very common to see this, the hollow, quick release especially. So let's see what we did. I'm going to pull this off, talk about the adjustment. Generally, on this style of hub, a very standard hub, we adjust from the non-drive, this side. This side is locked up. We tightened it down tight last time. So we want to do our adjustment from this side. Axle vise is a nice thing. I'm going to try and avoid it so I can work like you might at home. Here, I grab the axle ends and pull up and down and turn it. Turns pretty smoothly. And there's no play. But again, when it's closed, it's really too tight. Another simple way to do this is guess at your adjustment, put it in the bike, close the skewer, and do your testing that way. So what I'm saying, outside the bike with no pressure, a little bit of play. Just a little bit of play is good. So when you put it in the bike, close the cam, it squeezes, that play goes away. That's the loosest setting, loosest bearing adjustment with no play. That's the important thing there. So we need to back that cone up just a little bit. So here, I'm going to put a cone wrench on the cone. I'm going to loosen the lock nut. Back that thing free. Okay, back it up. Now I'm going to try and turn the axle a little bit, or hold it, and go counterclockwise with the wrench, just a little bit. And there is some guessing here, to be sure. And tight. Let's see what I got. It's even smoother. There is no play. I can't feel any click, click, click up and down. I'm going to try and go a little looser. The axle is turning with me as I loosen it. That's the advantage of an axle vise. So I'm going to have to overshoot the mark here and come back. Oof, excellent. When I say excellent, it means it's probably not good. It means excellent teaching material. You hear that? Knocking, too loose. I overshot, way overshot. So we're back to the jiggles, not good. So I got to go in betweenst. The search for Goldilocks. Where is she? Tighten. A little bit of play, just a little bit of knocking. Nice. Nice. So we're going to put our little fake dropouts on. This is just a spacer. So it's something that fits over the axle that is thicker than the axle protrusion. We want this skewer here pressing not on the axle but on our fake dropout and another fake dropout. Yeah, that fits. Let's go with it. Okay, there we are. So how tight is the skewer? Like you normally ride a bike. So about halfway through here, you want to hit resistance and then pull it over. Let's see if we can. Mice? There's mice in our kitchen? No. That needs some lubrication. A little lubrication here. It may seem funny, right? Won't that make it come loose? No. It's the load on the steel, that stretching of the steel, that's what keeps it tight. That lubrication, yes, that helps us tighten it. So now it feels smoother when closed. If I back it off almost all the way, I get just a little bit of knocking, just a little, I can feel a little bit of knocking, but when it's fully closed, it goes away. That's as good as that hub can be. Is it going to feel as smooth as the next one or the next one? Nope, but they're all equal in this. They should have the loosest setting with no play. Time for a freewheel, time for a rotor, time to get back on the road, but not quite. An issue here, something's missing. There's more food on the table, but we're just too full this meal. We'll catch that next time, here on Tech Tuesday.
Tune in next time for the thrilling conclusion.
Except it's not next time. We don't want to do it next time.
Hold on. All right. Tune in next time for the next Tech Tuesday.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed Tech Tuesdays, check out our Repair Help video library, which has detailed guides to a wide variety of common bike maintenance procedures. And of course, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest videos from Park Tool.